Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma. Today I made cornmeal. In my local dialect, we call it Igbagwu Oka. Igbagwu Oka. This is made with corn, that is maize. In Nigeria, we used to make it with dry corn, but I got this fresh corn from the market today, so I said, let me make Igbagwu Oka, let me make cornmeal. So the first step you have to take is to remove the corn from the cup and grind it. Grind the corn. Before I go any further, please don't forget to like, comment on the video, and subscribe if you have not. Okay, thank you. Now, to grind the corn, you add onions to it and ginger. I added ginger to get a different flavor, and then pepper, red pepper. Don't add much water to this while grinding it if you are going to use fresh corn. Reason is because as the corn is still fresh, and of course we are going to use spinach, it will become too tender. If you're using dry corn, you can add water to soften it. After grinding the corn together with the onions and pepper and ginger, pour it into a bowl. You can see the consistency of the grinded corn. We add palm oil, crayfish, and salt. Add salt to taste, and then mix everything together. To think that while growing up, I used to hate I used to dislike this food. Now I crave for it. Now we add the spinach. Just mix everything together, and I'm going to use aluminium foil to cook this. You can use plantain leaf, banana leaf, or plastic bag. That's it. It's very easy to make. Then you cook it for 20 minutes, because as this is fresh corn, it doesn't take time to cook, and in 20 minutes you have your cornmeal, your Igbagwu Oka. I really enjoy this food because the nostalgic feeling I had while eating it. I remembered my mom, how she used to cook it. Thank you for watching this video, and please leave a comment, like the video, share the video, and subscribe if you have not. I invite you to eat and enjoy this cornmeal Igbagwu Oka with me. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, bye.